Trumpeter swan. The trumpeter swan, scientifically known as Cygnus buccinator, is one of North America's most magnificent and iconic waterfowl species. Trumpeter swans are famous for their deep, resonant trumpeting calls, which are one of the species' signature features. These calls can carry over long distances and are used for communication among individuals. Trumpeter swans are migratory birds. During the winter, they migrate to areas with open water, and in the summer, they return to their breeding grounds. Their diet primarily consists of aquatic plants, submerged vegetation, and various water plants. They may also feed on aquatic invertebrates and small fish. Trumpeter swans are known to form monogamous pairs, and both the male and female participate in nest building and raising their young. They construct large nests near the water's edge and typically lay 3 to 9 eggs. Trumpeter swans were once listed as a threatened species in the United States, but thanks to extensive conservation programs, their populations have rebounded. But they face ongoing threats from habitat loss and human disturbances.